medicaugust. It's almost August, which means my birthday is near. Who's counting? Anyways. So in today's video, hey, did I forgot to say that this is Puja? Okay, so this is Puja. In case you were wondering who I am. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what's in my iPhone 12 Pro Max. As soon as I got this, I posted a story asking you guys if you guys want to see the unboxing video. So yeah, before I show you guys what's in my iPhone, let's go forward and see the unboxing part. I was super excited. Let's go. I got my phone from Ola Store. No, this video is not sponsored by Ola Store. They took money from me. They didn't give me money. So, yes. I was so excited. Super excited because I was wanting to get this phone for a long time. And unbox this. You have to turn it. Okay, so, oh my god. So you turn this. Oh my god. I'm excited. Wait. Oh my god, I'm supremely excited. Oops. This is mine. Oh, this feels so real. Okay. Okay, we'll come to that part later. So look at this. Look at this vibrant blue color. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, let's turn this on. It's working. It's turning on. So I am taking my iPad and I'm just setting it up. So I'll let this phone set up. It's setting up at the moment. And till then, let's see what's in here. Just this and this. That's it inside the box. This and this, and yeah, so all the manual which nobody reads and a sticker. I'm sad that they gave only one, but this is what we have. And this, I also had to buy this charger separately because there's nothing in this box. So let's unbox this because I think that's what I'm gonna need the most after the phone. Okay, that's how it looks like. See that? It's different. I'm going to add tempered glass. Got the tempered glass on, so let's move forward. I got a cover, this one, which is like a really plain cover to my phone, and there it is. So let's get this. Yeah, so this is what my phone looks like. It has a very plain phone cover and the phone charm, which I made myself. Yeah, this girl does DIY. I'm actually shocked that I haven't posted any DIY videos yet because I'm someone who makes a lot of DIY things. I do a lot of DIY projects. So this is what my phone looks like right now, and this is the home screen, which is just you know, kind of artwork. I don't know how to say this, but yeah, I really liked this. So my phone is actually customized to be in beige color. You know, I painted my nails beige especially for this video. So yeah, you see that part I put onto my videos. If you haven't subscribed, this is the time. Go and subscribe to my channel. My phone looks like this, and yeah, it's kind of like beige, brown, I don't know, it's beige, brown, kind of fall inspired. And in the small widget I have the art of eye contact, and there's a model and then there's like enjoy the little things, some quotes out there, and then another quotes, and then yeah, so I've customized the whole thing here. I'll tell you guys how to customize it, and don't worry if you don't find any apps. Like it's just like it's just like three home screen. I have my other apps swept up over here. So yeah, so these are everything that I have. So I will show you guys how to customize this phone into this one, but I think before that I'll show you guys what's in my iPhone very quickly. So in the first screen, I think it's just all boring apps which comes with your iPhone. Yeah, there's nothing exciting actually. Yeah, have a reminder which is due. Tells a lot about me, don't that? Okay. So yeah, and in the second screen I have Viber, very essential, WhatsApp, then Messenger. You guys know what this is. So in the second page, I think the only exciting app is Drop. So let me tell you what Drop is. Drop is an app where I learn French words. So it's not an app that teaches you a language in general, but it's an app where you know you can learn a word of like a word. So yeah, this is my progress in French so far. So this app works like offline also, so which is really great. You can see I don't have a Wi-Fi on, so all you have to do is like, and it only gives you 5 minutes if you don't have the premiership. I don't have the premiership, so I've already used some of the time. So yeah, so now let's go. What do you want to learn? Nationalities. Okay, let's go and resume that one.
Italien.
Okay, okay, sorry.
Italien.
So this is how you
Japonais.
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 You can repeat it. Russe.
Russe.
That's how you learn language. So yeah, we will do that much because the videos can be long. So that's Drop. So YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is actually an app where a YouTuber knows the progress of their channel, how many views are there, how many subscribers, literally everything, the contents, the view time, everything. They can edit, they can add thumbnails, everything from this app. So it's a really important app. Then there is OneNote where I have my notes. I actually have iPad, and with the iPad and Apple Pencil I make notes on OneNote. It's a free app, that's why I use it every day, so I don't have much to say. Then the same old apps. So Memrise is also an app where I learn French. So I'm actually on level 5. So yeah, there are actually a lot of exercises. So I'm actually in French 5. But yeah, it's actually a free app. You can upgrade it to the premiership, but again, you can use it free of cost, and that's what I do. Okay, I'll just show you by doing a review. You need internet. Okay, yeah, that's how. So My Media Plus is just a file app. Then there's shortcuts, which we again need for customization, and there's and the rest I don't use. And there's PUBG Mobile. I am such a bad PUBG player. I just have it. There's Tumblr, which I haven't used in a while. Then there's Skype, and there's Google Meet, and there's the Raj app, which I use a lot because I shop a lot. Okay, then there's Duolingo. This is again an app. If you don't know about this app, like this is one of the apps that I highly used. So Duolingo is the app where you can learn French again. So I'm currently offline, so I have like 202 crowns. If you're just starting, if you think of starting to learn a language, I think this app is really great. So yeah, Duolingo is like thing. I also tried learning a lot of language from Duolingo, like Japanese, Chinese, and Dutch. So then there's Pinterest. Like, who doesn't know about Pinterest? We need that app again for the customization. Then there's this app for the bank account that I have in Bangladesh, which is Konto app. So this is the app where you can add text to your photos. Now let me show you guys how to customize your apps. For that, you need to download this app, Widgetsmith, from the App Store. And once you do that, you can actually, so there will be like three options: the Widgetsmith small widgets, the medium widget, and the large widget. So I've made a lot of them. So I'll just show you guys how I added this image in this widgets. So we'll go to one of this. So then we go to default widget, and then we will try to make. So how I made is with, excuse my dog, it's just barking. And then we go to photos and album photos. So if you choose photos and album, it will just keep showing the photos that is in the album, and like kind of like slideshow. And if you do the photos, you can actually select photos and choose photos. So these are the photos that I downloaded from Pinterest, which matches my aesthetic field. And then you just click into any one of this. Let me do this one, so you can zoom out, and then you have this and you save this. So yeah, so it's in the small #5. So you can do the same thing with the larger widget and the smaller and the medium widget, sorry, with the medium stretch, and you can just do it like that. So now we will come back to the home screen, and then we will like, okay, so I want that to go in here, so I'll just like long press it. Then there's a plus button here, so I'll go to that, and then I'll just do that, and you can see the Widgetsmith at last. And then because we added it in the small icon, we'll just long press this one and drag it and put it in there. So now it will show the normal, thing. Long press this one again, and then we'll do edit widget, and then has small #7, so it's not the one. I think we made the #5, so we click on that, and yeah, and then you got the the codes. So that's how you get the code. Okay, and it's the same with the pictures, like anything you want in the small, medium, or large widget. So you do that. Now for creating the apps like this one, how did I turn my app to look like that? For that, you need an app which is called Shortcuts, which is already in your phone by default. And then I'll try to go at the plus button here, and I'll say add an action, and then I'll say open app. Then I'll do that, and I'll like choose, and then I'll choose any random app. So for instance, let's do Google, because I don't have Google because I need to create one for Google. So we go and create that, and then you see this button with 3 dots. You open that, and then you name this Google, so that when you have to ask Siri to do something, like Siri will listen to you, then add to home screen. Then you will again make the app name Google, and then you see like a DP kind of thing happening here. You choose that. It's actually like, and then you choose photos, and then you choose a photo. I think I've used all the photos. I think I haven't used this one. So for Google, I'm gonna use this one, and I choose, and I do add, and I do done, and I do done. So it's just here, and I think it's here. So you can see your app is changed. It's like the Google here. So let me drag this to here. So now you can remove. So now I don't want, so for this 4 apps which I always put at the bottom of my phone, I use the icon because you can see the name, right? You can see the name, so you can see the name here. So when you drag this here, like, okay, let me do that. See, you don't see the name popping up. That's why I decided I would do icon and this thing. So that's what I did for that. Now let me remove the colorful apps, which was there by default. So that's okay. that's how you remove it. And then I have like 4 screens. Okay, no, actually 3 screens. And yeah, so I just have that. And if I need any apps, I can, if I feel like I don't know, I want colorful apps, I can again long press on the home screen and then add them. Or like if I need them, I can just go to the app library and just find out the apps. It was a fun video to shoot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Like, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.